Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Julius Baer Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience. Julius Baer Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience offers wealth management services tailored to high net worth individuals. It aims to help clients grow and protect their assets through personalized investment strategies, financial planning, and banking services. Key features likely include portfolio management, investment advisory, and wealth planning tools. Their website provides details on specific offerings. Their website highlights their personalized approach and experienced team of financial advisors. They emphasize a long-term perspective and focus on building strong client relationships. The pricing structure is typically customized based on individual needs and asset levels, though details are usually discussed directly with advisors. Availability is naturally limited to those meeting their client profile requirements. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Julius Baer Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The initial consultation was thorough, and my advisor, Ms. Chen, took the time to understand my financial goals and risk tolerance. Navigating their online portal was intuitive, with a clean dashboard providing a clear overview of my portfolio performance. I was particularly impressed by the detailed reporting, which broke down my investments and their performance clearly. I found the regular performance updates extremely useful in making informed decisions. I had a quick question regarding tax implications of a specific investment, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email with a comprehensive answer. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for quick portfolio checks, though this wasn't a major issue. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the level of service and the performance of my portfolio. The personalized attention and proactive communication are what set Julius Baer apart. While the service is clearly geared towards individuals with substantial assets, the quality of service and professional advice are definitely worth considering if you fall within their target demographic. That's my overview of Julius Baer Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.